Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to save items to favorites or wishlist on Facebook Marketplace so you can easily find them later. Open the Facebook app. If you have the Facebook Marketplace icon, tap on it. If you don't have the icon like I do, search for Facebook Marketplace using the search bar. Open the Facebook Marketplace section, Buy and Sell Nearby. Now, browse for items on this platform in the usual way. For demonstration purposes, I'll look for a car. Open the listing. Just below the large blue button, you'll notice the Save option. Tap on it, and the item or listing will be saved to your favorites list. You can access your saved items anytime by going to the Saved section in your profile menu. This feature helps you keep track of interesting listings without the need to search for them again. Repeat the process for all the listings you want to save for quicker and easier access later. If this video helped you, subscribe to our channel and like the video.